Do you suffer from chronic inflammation or joint pain? If so, you're not alone. Inflammation is at the root of many common health issues, from arthritis to heart disease. But did you know that a powerful natural remedy could help? That's right, turmeric, a golden spice that's been used for centuries, is gaining recognition for its incredible health benefits, especially when it comes to reducing inflammation. In today's video, we're diving deep into how turmeric can help soothe your body, ease pain, and improve overall health. Stay tuned to learn the science behind turmeric's anti-inflammatory powers and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine for better health. What is turmeric and its active ingredient? Turmeric is a bright yellow spice derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant, commonly used in cooking, especially in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisines. The secret to its powerful anti-inflammatory effects lies in a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant with strong anti-inflammatory properties, which have been shown to help combat a wide range of health issues. But turmeric doesn't just work on inflammation. It has a wealth of other health benefits that can support overall wellness. How turmeric reduces inflammation. Curcumin and its powerful antioxidant properties. The active compound curcumin is known for its ability to reduce inflammation by blocking certain molecules that trigger inflammation in the body. Specifically, curcumin inhibits the activity of NF-κB, a protein complex that regulates inflammation. When this molecule is activated, it can lead to chronic inflammation. By preventing NF-κB from working, turmeric helps reduce long-term inflammation and the associated symptoms. Reduces chronic inflammation and joint pain. Chronic inflammation often results in joint pain, stiffness, and conditions like arthritis. Studies have shown that turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can significantly reduce joint pain and improve mobility in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. For people dealing with joint discomfort, incorporating turmeric into their routine may provide noticeable relief over time. Supports the immune system. Turmeric is also known to support your immune system by boosting the production of certain proteins that fight infection and inflammation. By enhancing your body's ability to defend itself, turmeric helps keep you healthier and better equipped to fight off illnesses, including inflammatory-related conditions like autoimmune diseases. Fights free radicals and protects cells. Chronic inflammation often occurs due to oxidative stress, which happens when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Turmeric's high antioxidant content helps neutralize these free radicals, preventing damage to your cells and tissues. This not only helps reduce inflammation but also protects you from further damage that could lead to more serious health problems down the line. Improves digestion and gut health. Did you know that inflammation in your gut can lead to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other digestive issues? Turmeric has been shown to promote a healthy gut by reducing gut inflammation and balancing the gut microbiota. A healthy gut reduces systemic inflammation, improving overall well-being. How to incorporate turmeric into your routine. Turmeric in your diet. The easiest way to incorporate turmeric into your routine is by adding it to your meals. You can sprinkle it in soups, curries, smoothies, and even on roasted vegetables. Not only will it give your food a beautiful color, but it will also provide you with its amazing anti-inflammatory benefits. Golden milk. Golden milk, a warm drink made with turmeric, milk, or dairy-free alternatives, and spices like black pepper and cinnamon, has become increasingly popular. The addition of black pepper is especially important as it enhances the absorption of curcumin, making it more effective in the body. Turmeric supplements. If you find it hard to incorporate turmeric into your meals regularly, turmeric supplements are an easy alternative. Available in capsule or powder form, these supplements provide a concentrated dose of curcumin. Just be sure to choose a high-quality supplement that includes black pepper or piperine to enhance absorption. Topical turmeric for inflammation. For localized inflammation, like joint pain or skin irritation, turmeric can also be applied topically. You can create a simple turmeric paste by mixing turmeric powder with water or coconut oil. Applying this paste to the affected area can help soothe irritation and reduce inflammation. What to keep in mind: while turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, it's important to remember that it may not be a one-size-fits-all solution for every condition. If you have a serious inflammatory condition or if you're pregnant or nursing, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding turmeric to your routine. Additionally, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has low bioavailability, meaning the body doesn't absorb it well on its own. That's why pairing turmeric with black pepper or consuming it with fats can greatly enhance its effectiveness. Conclusion: turmeric's health benefits are truly remarkable, and its anti-inflammatory properties make it a powerful natural remedy for anyone dealing with chronic inflammation, joint pain, or immune-related conditions. Whether you add it to your meals, sip on golden milk, or take it in supplement form, turmeric can help reduce inflammation and improve your overall health. Don't let inflammation take control of your life. Incorporate turmeric into your routine and experience its transformative effects for yourself. If you're ready to experience the power of turmeric, give it a try today. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies that can improve your well-being.